Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Godaddy domain to Google Workspace so you can start using Gmail and other Google tools with your custom domain name. Let's get started. First, keep in mind that Google Workspace is a paid service. It's different from free Google services like personal Gmail accounts. So before anything else, you'll need to purchase a Google Workspace plan or sign in if you already have one. Go to the official Google Workspace website and click Get Started. Choose the plan that works best for your needs and follow the on-screen setup steps. Make sure you enter the same domain name that you purchased from Godaddy during the setup process. If you already have an active plan, simply log in to your Admin Console dashboard. Once inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Domains, then select Add Domain, and follow the instructions shown on the screen. Google will begin the process to set up your domain. Next comes domain verification. Google will ask you to verify that you own the domain. When prompted to choose your domain provider, select Godaddy from the list and click Continue. Google will generate a TXT record for verification. Now, open a new tab and log into your Godaddy account. At this stage, you usually have two methods: manual verification or automatic verification. With manual verification, you would copy the TXT record provided by Google and paste it into the DNS settings of your domain inside Godaddy. However, the easier option is automatic verification. Simply grant Google Workspace permission to access your Godaddy account. Once you approve access, Google will automatically update the necessary DNS records for you. This saves time and reduces the chance of errors. After that, click Verify. If everything is set up correctly, your domain will be successfully connected. Next, complete the remaining setup steps inside your Google Workspace dashboard. Once done, open Gmail and test your new email address using your custom domain. Try sending and receiving a test email to confirm everything is working properly. One final tip: DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate, although in most cases it happens much faster. And that's it. Your Godaddy domain is now connected to Google Workspace, and you're ready to start using professional email with your custom domain. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching.